Alright guys, today I'm going to share something a little unusual that I started recommending to my diabetic patients, and it actually works. I told them to drink vinegar before their meals. Sounds strange, right? But hear me out. In this video, I am going to break it all down for you. Now, why vinegar helps control blood sugar, the science behind how it works, and a real story from one of my patients. I'm going to also dive into a little bit functional holistic medicine perspective on vinegar and how it affects your gut health and inflammation, and exactly how to do this hack safely, the limits of vinegar, and what else I recommend alongside it, including supplements like Gluxion formula and more. And finally, my overall take on whether this is something you should be doing. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how vinegar impacts your blood sugar and how to use it, and whether it is worth adding to your daily routine. The surprising hack for you. Most people think managing diabetes is just about cutting sugar, taking meds, or exercising more. But here's something you don't hear every day. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar before the meals can actually reduce your blood sugar spikes. It sounds almost too simple, but it is backed by real science. And more importantly, I have seen it firsthand with my patients. A patient of mine had what I call the breakfast spike problem. No matter what she ate, oatmeal, eggs, or even so-called healthy cereal, her glucose would shoot up to like 200 or more sometimes. Now, we tried adjusting macros, portion sizes, even adding some medications, still stubborn. Then I told her, before breakfast, drink a glass of water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. She's like, what? Come on, check it out. And the result, her glucose after oatmeal dropped nearly 40 points, from 180 down to 140. That's the difference between being in control and being on the edge of needing more medication. So let's talk about the science behind the vinegar and the blood sugar. So why does this work? The secret is acetic acid, the main active compound in vinegar. And here's what it does. It slows your gastric emptying. Your stomach empties food more slowly, so carbs don't flood your bloodstream all at once. And secondly, it improves insulin sensitivity, which means that your cells respond better to insulin, so the glucose is absorbed more efficiently. Thirdly, it lowers glycemic response. Several studies show that vinegar before a carb-heavy meal reduces the blood sugar spike and improves insulin function by up to 20 to 30%. It is almost like using a natural food-based version of a diabetes drug, but without the prescription. Now, I said I'm going to talk about a little bit from functional medicine angle. Here is what makes this even more exciting from a functional medicine perspective. Vinegar does not just flatten your sugar curve. It also does this. It supports the gut microbiome. Acetic acid and fermentation compounds feed the good bacteria in your gut, which actually eventually influence the glucose control. And it also lowers the inflammation. So vinegar has anti-inflammatory effects, which matter because inflammation drives insulin resistance and heart problems and all the vascular problems. It connects to ancestral eating. Every culture used fermented foods, right? Sauerkraut, kimchi, vinegars to support digestion and health. And we have lost that tradition, and our metabolic health has suffered for it. So how do you actually do this without wrecking your teeth or stomach? Now, timing is everything. Take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar in a glass of water before your meal. Start small, even a teaspoon, and work your way up. You don't have to be a hero at the first, right? Works best before carb-heavy meals like breakfast or dinner. And which vinegar? Again, apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar is fine. And white vinegar works too, but don't use cleaning vinegar, okay? You're not trying to unclog your sink. And here's a quick warning. If you have reflux, ulcers, kidney issues, or are on certain meds, check with your doctor first, and always dilute vinegar. Never drink it straight. Now, some of you are already probably writing some comments. You think you know better, but that's okay. So let's address the skeptics. Now, some of you are probably thinking, Doc, this sounds like internet hype. It doesn't help me, or vinegar cannot possibly lower blood sugar. Well, this is not a hype, because a 2004 study in diabetes care showed vinegar improved insulin sensitivity by 34% in insulin-resistant patients during a high-carb meal. Other studies show vinegar use can lower fasting glucose and even improve A1C. But let me be clear here. Vinegar isn't a miracle cure. It is a tool. It can help manage spikes, but it doesn't replace lifestyle changes or deeper interventions. And I'm not saying it will work for everyone. Obviously, nothing works for everyone, right? Now, what I see in my clinic, in my own practice, I have seen this hack work best for people with stubborn morning spikes, people who like carbs but want less dramatic post-meal surges, and patients looking for a natural, cheap add-on to their regimen, which is understandable. Medications are expensive. And, I work in and practice in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and most of you have seen me before. But here's the reality for a lot of people. If you use vinegar but still eat processed carbs, skimp on sleep, and stay sedentary, benefit is going to be minimal. Vinegar works best as part of a bigger plan, not as just a free pass. What about other supplements? Now, vinegar is one great tool, but for many of my patients, supplements also make a difference. Now, that's why I developed Gluxion, most recent glucose formula we have. It combines natural ingredients like bitter melon and stuff like that. There's actually 17 of them, all of which improve your insulin sensitivity, reduce your post-meal spikes, just like vinegar, but through complementary pathway. Some of my patients use both vinegar before meals and Gluxion daily with every meal, and they see even greater stability in their blood sugar levels without having to constantly chase spikes or having to shoot insulin and whatnot. So what are my final thoughts? Well, vinegar is simple, cheap, and effective. It slows the release of carbs into your bloodstream. It improves the insulin sensitivity and even supports gut health and obviously inflammation control. And yet, it's not a magic bullet. It is a powerful add-on. It's a tool to combine with good nutrition, exercise, sleep, stress management, and when needed, supplements and or medication. The exciting part is this. Sometimes the smallest changes, like a tablespoon of vinegar before a meal, can make the biggest difference for some of you. So here's my challenge for you. A challenge, okay? Try the vinegar, this hack, for a week. Take a tablespoon in water before your carb meals. Track your blood sugar and let me know what happened. And you have to control your carbs as well, obviously. And have you already tried the vinegar for blood sugar? Did it help you? Well, drop your experience in the comment section below because we want to hear. And if you found this helpful, this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS functional medicine strategies for you, and check out my other videos on blood sugar hacks. And remember, the best medicine is often the simplest, and sometimes it is already sitting in your kitchen. See you next time.